In this video, we're going to go over another common physics exam question involving two balls and a perfectly elastic collision. So for this example, a ball of mass 0.540 kilograms moving east at the plus x direction with a speed of 3.7 meters per second collides head-on with a 0.440 kilogram ball at rest. If the collision is perfectly elastic, what will be the speed and direction of each ball after the collision? So we'll start this problem by going ahead and drawing a diagram. So the first ball, we'll go ahead and call that ball 1, has a mass of 0.540 kilograms. Is moving in the east direction, the positive x direction. So when we have a graph, this is the positive x direction, this is east. So it has a speed of 3.7 meters per second. And it collides with another ball. We'll call this one ball 2. That has a mass of 0.440 kilograms. And it is at rest. So since it is at rest, the initial velocity will be 0 meters per second. Now the key words in this problem are perfectly elastic. So using the perfectly elastic equation to solve for the velocity, we can rewrite it as v1 is equal to u1 times m1 minus m2 plus 2m2 times u2 over m1 plus m2. So the problem is asking us to go ahead and solve for the speed and direction of each ball after the collision. So this equation right here will be the equation for the first ball to find the velocity, and it'll be the same equation for the second ball as well, just different numbers. So plugging this in, we'll find that v1 equals u1, which is 3.70 meters per second, times m1, 0.540 kilograms, minus m2, which is 0.440 kilograms, plus 2 times 0.440 kilograms times the velocity of the second ball, initial velocity of the second ball. All that will be divided by 0.540 plus 0.440. So as you can see right here, in the second part of the top equation, the 2 times the 0.440 are both multiplied by 0. So this will actually cancel out, which will just leave us with this part right here over this right here. So the velocity after the collision for the first ball will be 3.70 times 0.54 minus 0.440 over 0.540 plus 0.440. After computing that through your calculator, you'll find that the initial velocity, or the velocity after the collision for the first ball, will equal 0.377 meters per second. And since this is a positive value, we'll know that it's in the east direction. So this will be east direction. For the second part, we'll use the same equation. So v2 will equal 0 plus 2 times 0.540 times 3.70 divided by 0.540 plus 0.440. These numbers are just from plugging in the initial numbers right there into this equation right here again. So after calculating that, we'll find out that the final velocity of the ball 2 is equal to 4.07 meters per second. And again, since this is positive, that'll be moving in the east direction. Now, if you think about this conceptually, it makes sense. So the second ball is at rest. So no velocity, nothing like that. It actually weighs less than the first ball. So a bigger ball moving at a speed of 3.7 meters per second, colliding with something at rest will basically shoot the second ball at a faster velocity, and the first ball will slow down to conserve momentum. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.